appeared to be a single and be through the back door.
Ah, says it's recording. Okay, sorry, I was trying to get ready and put on a shirt. I guess I could show you. I was at the doctor's again today. This thing's still ridiculously horrible. There's my IV. They had to put special kind of medicine in me to take a test to see if I was okay. I've been at the doctor's office, 3 different doctors this week, and I stopped one Friday and Monday, so Thursday's the only day this week I didn't have an appointment. I'm still messed up, if you guys are wondering. I basically wanted to come on and do a little bit of everything. I've gotten emails from people. I know a lot of people know that I've been sick and I was hospitalized for a couple months. Hold on. Alright. All this stuff playing. TV, phone, radio, whatever. I'm going to make this as short as I can. I wasn't trying to come in here and do stuff. I just want to say I'm sorry, guys. I get your emails and your text, your messages, all those things. And there's been people asking me to. The first time I've gotten one of these in a while, I got a request for what the heck is it called? When I used to do the lists and type stuff out and challenge in a certain amount of, what are they called? I don't even remember what it's called. You get a question read to you. Oh, Sporkle. I had a couple Sporkle challenges. And I actually am going to do that. I'm just making this video to let all you guys know that I will be doing videos again. It's just I've been so sick and this thing's taking forever. My eye's still messed up. I mean, I got the nurse in the radiology department touched my shoulder today, and I was like, "Ow!" And she's like, "What? Oh my God, did I rip your wound?" She thought I was talking about this monstrosity wound on my side. I was like, "No, I'm sorry. They had to operate on me for vegetative growth a couple months ago, and it's still killing me, even though I exercise it every day. It just hurts, you know." Anyways, if you guys ever want Epidemic Sound, you get songs on there. You can put them in your videos if you want to do editing, put music in there. There's a lot of great stuff. I love this Weissop, Velda. I just love this song. Where is it? Where is it at? All these are good, but there's one I really want to listen to right now. No, it's not this one. I don't remember. Where the heck is it at? I don't see. Oh, here it is. I guess I could play this while I'm doing the video. Like I said, I don't know how many minutes. It's been going on for 3 minutes now. I picked up my computer to get my pair of scissors. I was going to open up this box and go in and do some just a suggestion for Hero Wars to see if anyone wants to do it. All right, Sporkle, sports cards. Let's do. All right, guys, I'm back. I had a. Whoops. I had to. I had to turn that off because it was way too loud. Now I don't know where I put my. There it is. Okay, what I was going to say is, for those of you who asked me to do more of these with the Hero Wars stuff, I'm going to do more. It's just, I've been, like I said, I've been really sick. Monday alone, I threw up 5 times. I've been going diarrhea like every day this week except for Tuesday. I've been really sick. I've been skipping meals. I think I might only eat a small meal once a day until this goes away. I could do more. I could do more of these Titan things, which I love doing them. I haven't had time. I've been sick, so I've been just going in. Here's what I've been doing. I might as well just show you. I've been going like this, except just to get the team some points. Actually, you know what? I didn't realize that we have more than 7,500. So I'll just let it be this for today, and as soon as it hits 10 o'clock down here, I will I'll play all these 28 divination cards or whatever. So I got 18 here and 10 more over there. I want to make a video showing you how I love now that I've got the totem with both earth and water. I basically sorry, I was on a roll. My mom came in to see how I was doing. I waved to her when she first came in, and she's offering me steak. She went out to eat with my sister. I think it was to Texas Roadhouse. She's ordering steak and all the stuff that I love, and I'm like, I can't eat anything. It's like, put it in the fridge. Maybe I'll eat it tomorrow. I don't know. I don't want to be thrown up and, you know, crap and all that stuff out anyway. Sorry for grossing you out. What I was saying about this was, now that I got my earth and 3 times or 3x water totems, I literally could do this in the dungeon. I could get 800 to 1,000 easy. I used to be able to get 800 to 1,000 every day when I was really banging this out. But ever since I made my video showing people, I don't want to call them secrets or tricks, it's just the way I play. And I think it's almost like you're a basketball coach, you go and you scout the other team. It gives you a better chance to win. So I made our guild more efficient by showing my guys how I do it. Now, maybe they do it a little bit different than me. Maybe they do it the same. I don't know. So some people tried it and say, wow, I like that so much better. But ever since I was making a video for either my buddy Ghost Rider or Mac, I forget one of them, and I was like, here, and I was like, hey, I promised you I would click on the 4,500 for the Titan, whatever they're called, the Titan, I can't think what they're called, these things, for the, I can't think what it's called, the Titan balls, the Ultra Elements. So I went in and I clicked on the 4,500 right before I didn't get to this page. I wasn't filming it, but I was like, oh, I just did one, I'm going to do another, and I clicked it a second time. I go, this one's for you, Mac, or this one's for you, Ghost Rider, and boom, I got it on video. I couldn't believe it. An earth elemental, like a totem, popped up. I was like, oh my God, you got to be kidding me. So now that I've done that, my play has been elevated to another level, because I could just go in here. I could go in here in the dungeon, and I click on this. I could play this out and click on you have your option of your mix or blended team with blended or red, blended or green, blended or blue. Then you have your red blue. Your green red, red blue, green red. I forget, blue, maybe blue green. I forget, but it goes like, I think it goes blue to red, red to green, green to blue, or something like that, with like 6 different things. Oh, well, 6 plus single, 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 single. So I guess 10. There's 10 different choices. And the only thing that I'm forced to do, where I have to eat up these things here, these divination cards, is if I'm forced with just a fire team, a red team. But I'm going to tell you this right now. I'm pretty solid with that, even though I'm not great and just not having a totem. I can't go on forever. But, I mean, this thing takes so long, even with the speed up function. So that's why a lot of times I just do this just to get it over with, because I've been playing. I've been so sick over the last couple of weeks. Like the other day, I was at 2 different doctor appointments, and I came back, and it was like I didn't get back till like 5:30 at night, and missed the Guild War. I was the only. Thank God we crushed whoever we played, but I was the only one that missed. So I think that was on. Oh, that was the day I was. I think it must have been Monday. I don't remember what day it was. Could have been Friday. No, because I played on Saturday. I forget. I don't remember, but off and on I've been sick. I've been going to doctor's appointments. So I forget. But anyways, I missed the one day. And I don't know. I'm afraid every time I go to a doctor's appointment I'm going to miss it, you know? Anyways, back to this. So that's basically the recap. I could just, I mean, you just go here, hit this, and hit the speed. Oh, you know what? I don't want to waste that. I wasted a point that I could have added on for tomorrow's. I didn't mean to do that. All right, get me out of here. Look, I'm really low. I am on vapors right now. Sorry. Okay. What do I need to do? Good, 20,000. Still got over a day to go. Oh, there it is. That's why I didn't know. Right, that's good. I guess I could show you really quick what I've been doing. I just used a Serenity Stone, so I needed that actually. I usually don't buy the purple stuff because it's garbage. I used to buy this all the time, but I'm running low and I don't need it. I still have like 18 of them. I needed to do some. Oh, check this out. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. So we still got an hour, a day and an hour. I'm going to clean this all up tomorrow. Got almost all of it done anyways. But yeah, I'll tell you what, it's so nice to advance these. Where are they at? These, your heroes. Look at this. I got everybody in red or +3 orange. I've been working on him the last like 3-4 days trying to get him up. So, how much do I got? Oh, wait till that goes to 24. Anyway, so I guess I'm good. Oh, the last part of the video. Maybe I should just save this for another video because I don't want to have my sports guys wait till the last couple minutes and then I'm rushing opening something. What do I got here? Alright. Okay guys, I guess we're good. I will make more videos as I'm feeling better. Sorry. I know I got all those emails from different guys. Plus I found some more of this kind of stuff. So I want to show it. Alright, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye-bye.